Good evening, Alka Batra. You are from which place?
Sir, Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Acha, good. You are that chartered accountant girl?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great, great, great. Super. So very nice. Alka Batra. What is your family?
Sir, my father is an astrologer, my mother is homemaker, and my brother is working in Exim Bank at the
India.
post of Exim Import Export Bank, sir.
Oh, acha, acha. Export Import Bank. Yeah, good.
That's
Then
all, sir.
mother?
Homemaker, sir.
Okay, good, good, good. I remember we have talked earlier for some other bank. Now, which bank? Bank of Maharashtra.
No, sir, Bank of Baroda.
It's a Bank of Baroda. We talked for that. And what happened? Which questions could you not answer properly there?
Sir, I answered all questions, but the desirable is a experience in bank. That's why, sir, I thought they are not selected.
Acha. Big desired experience was not there, so they have not selected you. Good. Now,
Yes.
Alka Batra, you are working in some chartered accountant firm nowadays.
Yes, sir.
What is the nature of work you are doing?
Sir, I am working in audit domain.
Acha.
I am working in an audit domain. I am doing revenue audit, and I also got a chance to assist my seniors in concurrent audit for 3 months.
Very good. So please tell me, what is revenue audit? What is concurrent audit?
So concurrent audit is an examining of documents on a simultaneous basis. So it is a preventive tool. So it reduces the chances of misstatement and misrepresentation. In concurrent audit, we verify the cash balances, stock statement, KYC, whether they are following KYC regulations. The loan documents are properly maintained or not. Local register is properly maintained. All these things are verified in concurrent audit.
Good. So in regard to lockers, there has been a recent circular from RBI about a few months back. Are you aware? What is it?
Sir, I read that, but sir, right now I'm not able to recall that.
It says that every time the transaction is being done by the customer, a message should be sent to his cell phone. That one. Number two, banks have been asked to take a revised locker agreement because there was ambiguity regarding the liability of the bank. Now that has been fixed at 100 times the rent collected by the bank. So these are some 2-3 new points that have come in this latest locker circular. You want to go for Punjab National Bank. What do you know about Punjab National Bank?
Sir, Punjab National Bank is the second largest public sector bank of our India. Sir, recently we celebrate the 129th anniversary of the bank. Bank's profit on 30th June 2003 was 1255 crore. And the bank's priority sector lending of the Punjab National Bank is 42.52%, which is more than 40% said by RBI. And banks are total global advances are around 12 lakh crores. And banks.
Wrong. I think there is something wrong. Something wrong.
The total deposits.
Yeah.
Total global deposits are 12 lakh crores and global advances are around 9 lakh crores.
ये तो थोड़ा याद है but clearly याद नहीं. Very good. Continue. And be smiling like you were smiling for a second. ऐसा मत smile करके answer करो. You will be getting good marks. Instead, if you talk very stiff, then you will get very low marks. In fact, I remember to have told you last time itself, you will be selected. I don't know what mistake happened. It is their unfortunate. Bank of Baroda has lost you. Probably Punjab National Bank may get you. Very nice. Now, coming to this, and you are a chartered accountant student straight away, not a BCom CA, correct? Huh?
So
Oh, Baba.
BCom plus CA.
अच्छा बीकॉम करस्पॉन्डेंस में पढ़
Sir,
लिया ना
yes, sir.
करस्पॉन्डेंस में पढ़ लिया वेरी गुड एक्सलेंट एक्सलेंट कैन यू टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया उसका बारे में क्या याद है आपको दिस इज अ वेरी ऑड क्वेश्चन ये नहीं पूछेगा
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हमने पूछ लिया
The Institute of Chartered Accountant of India is set up by the Act of Parliament. The ICAI is responsible for the managing the chartered accountant professions, and the ICAI has the ICAI has designed the accounting standards, and sir, the ICAI is managed by the committee in which some representative of government is also included.
No, but one point I would like to tell you, if you are going to mention about auditing, then they ask so many questions are relating to that. A candidate was, देखो ना कितना types of audits are there, इसका पूरा का बारे में हम लोग बोलना मुश्किल है. Can you
Yes.
remember how many types of audits are there?
Sir, there are statutory audit, internal audit, concurrent audit, credit risk audit, management audit, forensic audit, and so these are some types of audit. Right now,
बहुत कुछ दिया है जी इधर में. External audit, internal audit, forensic audit, statutory audit, financial audit, value for money audit, information
Tax
system audit, compliance audit, agreed upon procedures, then integrated audit, special audit, operational audit. Hare Baba. What is limited liability partnership?
Sir, LLP, Limited Liability Partnership Firm, is registered under Companies Act, and its partners' liability is limited, and
No, here what you have to do is you have to differentiate from the regular partnership. रेगुलर पार्टनरशिप से इसको क्या फर्क है ये बोलने से अच्छा होता है. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Have you heard of this concept, one person company?
Sir, one person company set up by only one person. There is a one director in it. Sir, this is for the small at the small. Sir, now there is no restriction on turnover or net worth. The one person company itself have how much turnover they can want.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Person companies.
I am giving you a link. I am giving you a link in our WhatsApp page about audit. बहुत कुछ दे रहा है उसमें. You might have seen this page. It's not that you have not seen this page. It is support.taxaj.com. support.taxaj.com. So many questions I have given. What is tax audit? What is the objective of tax audit? Who are all covered under the tax audit, like that? उसको पढ़ लीजिए, आपको better हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Otherwise, now come to the next question. What is credit?
So when a loan provides a credit facility to the borrower, we call it as a credit facility. And
Correct.
bank charge for the credit interest, and this become an income for the bank, and the loan which they gave, it become an asset for the bank.
Correct. So what are the other sources of income for the bank?
So the main source of the bank is interest. Other than interest, the bank provide the cross-selling of insurance policies, management of mutual fund, and management of the investment. And so bank is also charge the local fees, credit card late payment, late fees on the credit card, These also are other source of income for banks.
One more income you have omitted. Banks invest in government securities.
Yes, sir.
And banks also invest in shares of other companies. So whatever income is derived out of it, namely interest on government investments and dividend on shares, ये सब बैंक को फायदा है. Good.
Okay, sir.
Anybody is coming? Any disturbance for you?
No, sir.
Okay. Good. Now, can you please tell me what are the different types of loans our Punjab National Bank is giving?
The Punjab National Bank is giving retail loan, corporate loan. So in retail loan, we can the bank is providing personal loan, vehicle loan, home loan, and in the corporate lending, they are providing loan to the MSME sectors and and big corporates.
Good. So what is MSME sector?
Sir, MSME sectors are defined by their investment in their plant and machinery and turnover. For micro enterprises, the investment in plant and machinery is 1 crore and their turnover is 5 crore. For small enterprises, the investment in plant and machinery is 10 crore and so their turnover is 50 crore. And for medium enterprises, the investment in plant and machinery is 50 crore and turnover is 250 crore. On these basis, sir, these are...
You are a chartered accountant.
Yes, sir.
Do you know about the classification of borrower accounts? SMA or NPA? What is it?
Sir, SME special mention accounts are, sir, those accounts in SME accounts are divided in 3 categories: SME 01, special mention account 0, special mention account 1, and special mention account 2. When, sir, interest and principal are overdue for less than 30 days, when we mention it in SME 01, and when it overdue
SMA
for
0.
31
SMA
0.
SMA 0.
When overdue is for 31 to 60 days, we classify it in a SMA special mention account 1, and when for 61 to 90 days, we classify it as SMA 2 account. So also and loan become NPA when the interest and loan amount in the principal amount is not paid for more than 90 days, then we classify it as NPA.
No, under NPA, what are the classifications?
For sir, if an NPA remain for more than 1 year, they classify it as a substandard asset. A loan.
No, wrong. Where an account is in an account, repayment of interest and installment is overdue for 90 days and above. Up to 1 year, it is classified as substandard. Beyond 12 months, it is classified as what is the other? Doubtful asset 1, DA1. Beyond 2 years, it is classified as DA2. Beyond 3 years, it is classified as DA3. Because this classification is required because of the provisioning that has to be done. Provisioning requirements. Now, can you please tell me what is net interest margin?
So the difference between the interest bank give on its deposit and bank give on its deposit and the interest bank earn on its lending. The difference between those two is called as net interest margin.
Only one word you omitted. You have to say average interest earned, average interest paid. These two are difference net. Similarly, while talking about Punjab National Bank profits, you told as on 30th June, it is this much apne bola tha. You can be specific by telling in the quarter ending 30th June 2023, the profit is this much. Otherwise, it will be taken as if it is the profit for 1 year up to 30th June. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
You are a chartered accountant. I expect more from you. Acha ji, I have given you this material from your own Punjab National Bank website only about SMA1, SMA2 and all that. ये तो आप पढ़ा नहीं होगा और एक बार अच्छा से पढ़ लीजिए, आपको सुविधा हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now let me go to the next question. Can you please tell me, are you aware of agricultural loans? Any idea?
Sir, I have an idea about how when we classify agricultural loan as NPA.
What is that classification?
When sir, the crop is a long-term season, then we classify as loan NPA if it is overdue for one crop season. If the crop season is short term, then we classify it as NPA if it's overdue for two crop season.
Super. Very happy. But एग्रीकल्चरल लोन का बारे में पूछने से तो आपने ये बताना है पहले किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड का बारे में डिटेल्स देना है. इसका बाद में पंजाब नेशनल बैंक में व्हाट आर द अदर एग्रीकल्चरल क्रेडिट आर दे गिविंग. ओके, वो डिटेल्स को बताना है. व्हाट आर द अदर एग्रीकल्चरल लोन्स दे आर गिविंग, लाइक से ट्रैक्टर लोन, देन लैंड डेवलपमेंट लोन्स, some whatever it is given. इसको एक बार पढ़ लीजिए, पढ़ के बता दीजिए. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Good. Please tell me something on KYC AML policy.
KYC is a know your customer. So KYC is used to do the identity verification of the identity verification, and sir, for address proof. We in KYC I ask for their address proof, their photos, their Aadhaar card details. All these things are required in sir KYC.
What is AML?
Sir, asset liability management. No, sir.
That is ALM.
Yes, sir.
AML is anti-money laundering.
Okay.
What
sir,
is
we
what is anti-money laundering?
Sir, to prevent the money laundering cases, the bank do KYC so that they can prevent fraud.
What is money laundering?
Sir, when we try to create our illegal money as illegal money, we use bank path. We use bank path in different ways so that we can make as a legal money. That's why, sir, KYC is needed so that we can track these parts and identify those persons who are fraud and bogus.
Good. Very nice. Good. What did your father say about your future?
Sir.
I have asked you last year also. Remember?
Yes, sir.
अभी उन्होंने क्या बोला आपका बारे में?
तो उन्होंने बोला तुम्हें 3-4 महीने और मतलब 3-4 महीने में तुम्हारा हो जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं हो जाएगा.
Very good. I wish you should, because I am seeing so many candidates or children, but there are only very few like you who are very much devoted and prepare properly, but there is something gap. Last time for the interview, which type of dress did you wear?
Sir, it was an online interview.
Oh, Bank of Baroda.
Yes,
online. फिर भी क्या ड्रेस पहना था आपने?
Sir, I wear kurta that time.
Kurta.
Sir, yeah. Sir,
Yeah,
now I am wearing.
Now you are going to
Now
wear?
I am wearing sir trouser and shirt.
Very good. Excellent. Go as a confident person.
Okay, sir.
Good. What do you know about whistleblower policy? ये तो
Sir, in whistleblower,
ये तो हम कभी किसी को पूछा नहीं, आपके बारे में पूछ रहा हूँ। बोलिए, विसल ब्लोअर पॉलिसी क्या है, हमने
sir,
सुन।
whistleblower are those persons. They may be in the bank or from outsider who inform that there is something fraud or mishappening is happening in the bank, so that they inform to the bank management. And so that's why the whistleblower policy is created, so that we can protect them, those whistleblowers, from any mishappening.
1 minute. 81309. Okay, this fellow cannot come. Yeah, that's okay. Correct. Now, next question for you. Are you ready to answer questions?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about PSL and its percentage?
So priority sector lending areas are those areas which government consider are important for our overall growth of the country. And so these are there are some the government decided 8 areas under priority sector lending.
हल्का हल्का, आप थोड़ा
Yes, sir.
आप थोड़ा आप हिंदी में बोलिए। वो पंजाब नेशनल बैंक वालों को हिंदी में बहुत पसंद है। आप ज्यादा अंग्रेजी बोलने से तो आपको कम मार्क दे देगा। थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलो।
So,
पीएसएल
sir,
का दोनों
दोनों
लैंग्वेज में यूज,
language.
दोनों लैंग्वेज यूज कर लीजिए, बट यू आर मोर कंफर्ट, यू आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश। उसको देख के वो लोग को गुस्सा हो जाएगा, इसलिए आप थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोलिए।
Okay, sir.
Now, are you getting confused? I'm just making fun. It's not that because obviously North Indians, they are more comfortable with the local language, namely Hindi.
Yes, sir.
इसलिए आप थोड़ा हिंदी में ज्यादा बात कर लो, कोई बात नहीं। Provided they start talking in Hindi. Till such time they do not talk in Hindi, आप अंग्रेजी में बात कर लीजिए, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
अभी PSL का बारे में हमको बता दीजिए थोड़ा।
So in private, the government has have said that there are 8 private sector lendings, with one of them are MSME, education, agriculture, export, and so these are some sectors. And so government has said that 40% of the loan must be provided to the private sector lending, in which agriculture
What?
for agriculture there is a 18%.
40% of what?
So net
Total advances.
net
Total
Okay.
advances. No, no.
total advances.
नेट बैंक क्रेडिट वो तो इस तरह में नहीं आएगा, वो दूसरे में आएगा। एडजस्टेड नेट बैंक क्रेडिट वो तो दूसरा, it comes under some other concept, you know, CRR, SLR and all that. Not
Okay,
here. Yeah, कोई बात नहीं. You did well. Please tell me, what ratio will you use for an application or approval?
For applications, or we can use a debt service coverage ratio, debt equity ratio, interest coverage ratio, current asset ratio, and sir, in for individual we can use installment income ratio, stock turnover ratio. These are some ratios we can use, sir.
What is balance sheet? Explain in detail with heads.
Okay, sir. Sir, balance sheet is balance sheet is represent the represent the position of asset and liabilities of the company. It is as on date. We prepare balance sheet as on date. In the asset of the company, we include fixed assets. In fixed assets, there may be some machinery, plant and machinery, and furniture. These are included. So after fixed assets,
Why you omitted building, land and building?
Land and building.
Continue.
And so after fixed assets, current assets are there. In current assets, and so after fixed assets can be tangible or intangible, sir.
Why? Why? How? I think last time also you committed this mistake. Fixed asset cannot be intangible.
Okay, sir.
Fixed assets are those assets which can be felt, seen, touched, like land, building, machinery, computer, then electrical equipment. ये सबको feel कर सकते हैं. Intangible asset का मतलब that which cannot be seen or felt. For example, goodwill,
Yes, sir.
patents
Goodwill.
and rights, etc.
Drawing.
As a chartered accountant, how you can confuse yourself with this? Last
Sure,
time
sir.
also you told me, I remember. You maybe yourself or some other candidate committed this mistake. Doesn't matter.
Sir,
Come to you only told, na?
No, sir.
I didn't tell. Tell me about current assets.
Sir, in current assets we include debtors, bills receivable, and cash and bank balance, and prepaid expenses.
Why are you omitting the goods in process, finished goods? ये सब तो भी बोलना पड़ेगा ना?
Stocks and inventory.
What is the definition of a current asset?
Sir, current asset are which are the asset which have a life of 1 year, and we can convert them in cash in 1 year.
ये तो which have life of 1 year is wrong statement. The correct statement is which can be converted into cash in 1 year.
In 1 year.
As a chartered accountant, I expect you to tell properly. But now my telling English, Hindi has confused you so much. I can understand from your eyes. Now tell me about current liabilities. Talk in English, no problem. Current liabilities.
Sir, current liabilities are liabilities which we have to pay in 1 year. In current liabilities, we include creditors, bills payable.
First class. Sufficient. Good. You told nicely. बैंक बैलेंस शीट में डिपॉजिट किस साइड में आएगा, लोन्स किस साइड में आएगा?
Sir, in bank balance sheet, deposit is a liability for the bank, and sir, loan are the asset for the bank.
First class. What is contingent liability? Give examples.
Sir, contingent liability.
This question they ask only rarely, but it has come to this candidate. Boliye.
Sir, example of contingent liabilities are those liabilities which are not happening, but their probability of happening in the future is possible. That's why we show these contingent liabilities in our notes. Example of contingent liabilities are bank guarantee and letter of credit.
Here, good. Here, contingent liability is defined as a liability which may arise depending on the outcome of a specific event. A point आपने छोड़ दिया. Depending on the happening of a outcome. But आपने क्या बोला? Which may happen बोला. But the word contingent itself says may or may not happen.
Yes, sir.
And contingent liability, it is a contra liability. जब बैंक ने अपना कस्टमर का वजह से एक गारंटी देते हैं, बैंक को लायबिलिटी ऑन गारंटी इश्यूड आएगा. दूसरी तरफ में असेट में क्या आएगा? कस्टमर्स लायबिलिटी ऑन गारंटी इश्यूड. कस्टमर भी बैंक को लायबल कर देगा फॉर द गारंटी इश्यूड. दीज टू आर नोन एज contra entries. You must have heard about it. Good. Contra entries you have heard. Very good. Now that is okay, fine. Now give me some ratio formula for DSCR.
Sir, for debt service coverage ratio, we for cash profit before interest divided by interest plus principal. We use this formula for debt service coverage ratio. But
normally दूसरा में भी बोलते हैं हम लोग EBITDA, earning
before tax and interest.
हाँ, ये बना divided by
interest plus principal amount.
Super.
Installment.
Tell me definition of current assets. बोल दिया आपने. Yeah, fine. Your Pidaji is an astrologer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is he giving astrology online or only in person?
Sir, in person.
Achha. Have you heard of online astrological companies?
Yeah, sir, I have heard about them.
Yeah. What is the name of the famous company in Delhi?
No, sir, I have no idea about their names.
Future Point. Future
Okay,
Point.
sir.
It is run by an ex-colleague of mine. She was working as a probationary officer for 5-6 years. Then she resigned. She got married to this astrologer. Now they are running. You can note down. Future Point India Limited. She is doing it nicely. Now, I think most of the questions you have answered very well. I have no doubt you will be given good marks. G20 का बारे में कुछ बताओ.
Okay, sir. Sir, in G20, it's a G20 is a group of 19 nations and one is a European Union. Sir, India is currently hosting the G20, and sir, we recently did our G20 meeting in Delhi. The next host will be Brazil, and sir, and the theme of the G20 is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and sir, the G20 nations are contributing 85% of the GDP of the world. And
Good.
sir, G20.
I think you can manage this question. Prepare कर दीजिए और भी अच्छा हो जाएगा. You have done extremely well. I will give you 9 out of 10 and select you. But मेरा हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. It's all भगवान का हाथ में है. ठीक है?
Okay,
God
sir.
bless you. God bless you. I am very rarely coming across candidates like you who are very studious. That is chartered accountants. All of you are really studious. And I really appreciate you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions you have? Your
Sir,
interview is on which date?
Sir, 20th September. परसों है sir.
अरे भाई, तब क्या फ्लाइट में जा रहे हैं?
No sir, मैं जयपुर में हूँ. दिल्ली से ट्रेन से 4-5 घंटे में पहुंच जाऊंगी.
अच्छा, only 4-5 hours. I don't know.
Yes sir.
Jaipur, Delhi is only 4 hours, 5 hours.
Yes sir.
पता नहीं.
5 hours sir.
हम तो दिल्ली में 3 साल था, फिर भी हमको ये सब पता नहीं. Very bad. Thank you. How I wish you should be selected, and we should celebrate by you are showing the sweet online. I should take the sweet here and eat. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. I wish you
Thank you,
success.
sir.
Thank you. Bye. Next candidate is next Sri Lekha. Sri Lekha, you have come for interview or for watching? Sri Lekha, you have come for interview or watching?
Sir,
yeah.
Sir, for watching the interview only I came, sir.
अच्छा, you come so late. पहले आने से तो अच्छा होता था. अभी तक अलका बत्रा ने बहुत बढ़िया आंसर्स देते थे. आप श्रीलेखा, you are not Hindi ना, you are Malayalam?
Tamil, sir.
Tamil. இத்தனை நேரம் முன்னாடி வந்திருந்தியானா சூப்பரா இருந்தது அந்த பொண்ணு. She was a chartered accountant. She was answering questions very well. Now, what is our Avisha Saxena? Avisha Saxena, are you there online?
Yes, sir.
Were you listening to Alka Batra's interview?
Yes, sir.
What is your estimation?
In what sense?
No. How do you rate her in competition to you? Supposing, and of course, both of you are not comparables because you have done MBA, she has done chartered accountancy, but only comparison happens now because you are going for the same post. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you please try to improve your skill to that extent. I am not decrying you, but I
No,
know
I
you
can
you
say
must
that.
have been preparing for some exams and all that. Maybe that is the reason.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was preparing for mains and another
Yeah.
interview. That's why I was busy in
What
that.
was that? What was
That's
another
why
interview? What was another interview?
sir, that was related to something else.
Hmm. That was for marriage.
No, never.
Just joking. Take care. No problem. God
Yes,
bless
sir.
you. Bye.
Thank you,
So
sir.
I am not getting the next candidate. Next candidate to come. I think next time I have given 7:30 only. What is the time now? 7:30 हो गया? 7:30 हो गया? Oh, 1 minute. Now only candidates are asking me, sir, what is the link? Where is the link? ऐसा पूछने से क्या करेगा हम बताओ? Srilekha. Srilekha,
Yes, sir.
you are coming from which city?
I'm from Erode, sir.
Oh, tell me the fame of Erode.
Erode is famous for its textile business and turmeric business.
Hmm.
Yeah, sir.
Only that much? Why?
Like I haven't prepared, so it's not popping up in my mind, sir.
What is the degree you have studied, please?
I studied MBA
MBA in which subject?
in finance.
Acha. What are the different main subjects you study under MBA finance?
I studied working capital management, security and portfolio management. So like it's been 2 years, sir, so I forgot the subject names, but these are the major subjects I have studied.
Can you talk on working capital management? Because this is one area where no candidate is able to answer questions properly. What is working capital management? And how working capital is assessed by bankers?
No, sir, I'm not sure about that.
I think I have posted in many videos on this. I have given you links also. And in the materials given to you, I can show them to you.
Yeah, sure.
In the materials shown to you also. Just a minute. 62054. Yeah. But this boy is coming for Federal Bank. Acha. Then that candidate was there with us. So. Something wrong. I'm not able to move it correctly. Should I make it smaller? How to make it small? Oh, correct. What is your name? Shri Lekha. You are going for which interview?
Federal Bank PO, sir.
Oh, Federal Bank means no problem. Federal Bank means this is not required. This is for credit officers. What you are seeing on the screen, you are seeing a credit officer.
Yes,
na?
sir.
That is not required.
Yes, sir.
This is not required for you. Here, actually, I have given about capital budgeting, then say very many other points like say working capital assessment and all. That much may not be required for you. That much may not be required for you. For Federal Bank, you go through the questions that they are asking now.
Okay, sir, sure.
That
Yeah,
will,
candidates are posting the interview questions.
that will do. If you go through
Yes.
that, today any new question has come?
No, today they haven't posted anything.
Yeah. So if we come across that, we can go through that and then study also. Good. No, but for the question like Erode, you must be able to answer some more points, like say number one, it is known for turmeric, it is also known for textiles. And
Okay.
if we search our Wikipedia, it will tell us google.com, India, Erode is famous for turmeric cultivation. Then among them, there are many tourist places in the district: Bhavani, Kududurai, Kodiveri Dam, Chennimalai, Bhavani Sagar Dam, etc. Then textile manufacturing also they have given. What is the famous
Yes.
item in Erode? Yeah, same thing. Then
Okay.
is Erode a good place? Tell me.
Yeah, sir, it's a very nice place and it is having a very nice neighborhood also.
Which is the neighborhood?
Like all the neighborhoods are very friendly. People are very friendly here. Like they are very helpful also.
Which is the famous sweet in Erode?
Uh, I'm not sure.
Either they have given gulab jamun, rasgulla, kaju katli. If you are looking for a wide variety of traditional Indian sweets for Raksha Bandhan, you should visit Sweets in Erode. They have an extensive menu that includes popular sweets like gulab jamun, rasgulla, kaju katli, etc. That's right. Good. I'm just waiting for next candidate to come. That's why I'm just delaying like this. Any question? Avisha Saxena. Avisha Saxena, any questions? You don't have any questions. Now, Samiksha, you please put some questions to Sri Lekha. She will answer. Both of you are going for Federal Bank. So each of you, Sri Lekha, have you been attending some online group discussion classes being conducted by other candidates? Sri Lekha.
No, sir. Actually, I haven't. So I had a medical emergency. So today only I took my phone after 10 to 15 days.
You were suffering or somebody else or your relative was suffering?
No, I was suffering.
Oh God. What happened, ma?
So I had a eye surgery thing.
You told me. You told me.
Yeah, sir.
Now, is it cured?
Yeah, for right eye, it's all right. I need to do for left eye. Maybe after a month, I'll do.
Excellent. What is the name of that problem?
It is keratoconus.
Arey Baba, onnume puriyaliye.
I spell it for you, sir. KERA
One நிமிஷம். KE.
RATOCONUS.
Keratoconus is an eye condition in which your cornea, the clear dome-shaped front of your eye, gets thinner and gradually bulges outward, Arey Baba, into a cone shape. A cone-shaped cornea causes blurred vision and may cause sensitivity to light and glare. Keratoconus usually affects both eyes, Arababa. Since when you started feeling this ailment?
Like 2 to 3 months before, sir. So I
Suddenly,
thought it is.
Suddenly, what happened?
No, my right eye felt like I'm having a blurry vision. So I went for a eye checkup. There I found that I have been diagnosed with this.
So operation, how long did the operation take place?
It was nearly 45 minutes.
Oh, long time. Good.
Yeah, sir. So after that, they have been instructed me not to use any mobile phones or laptops.
For
So I
some
was
days.
in a complete yeah, for 1 week. So I was in a complete rest.
Good, good. So TV kuda paakudada?
Yeah, sir. So I was hearing some audio books actually.
Which books were you hearing?
I was hearing Master Your Emotions,
Ah,
that book.
acha. It's a good book.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
can you tell me what did you learn in that?
So I learned on how to react on particular situations, and yeah, like recently I have been losing my emotions lately. So I thought that book will help me a lot. Actually,
So,
it did. It had a practical exercises which helped me to find out more about myself.
here they say mastering emotions means approaching your feelings with a sense of curiosity. Your feelings will teach you a lot about yourself if you let them. Getting curious helps you interrupt your current emotional pattern, solve the challenge. But all that, it is easy to read, easy to listen, but very difficult to apply for practice.
Yeah, sir.
ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். என்ன பண்றது?
Yeah, sir.
7 ways to monitor emotions. What are they? Here they are telling, no, it is your job. It is healthy to recognize that stress emotions are normal. Practice mental push-ups. Notice your fist. Then, I don't know what is fist. Then replace your fist with a CAR. Rewire your brain. Develop contingency plan. Prepare your team. Fist na enna அர்த்தம்?
I'm not sure, sir. Like
Sir,
fist is
fist
a
is mutti.
Fist na இதானே?
yeah, sir. It's a fingers like we holding together in the
Yes,
palm.
मुट्ठी कहते हैं सर इसको इंग्लिश में.
Yeah,
हिंदी में.
correct. But know your fist का मतलब know your ability to face challenges होगा मेरा ख्याल से. What does iron and fist mean? To rule a country, area, group in a very strict and often cruel way. The dictator ruled the country with an iron fist. That is to be firm. In meditation also it comes. Tighten your fist, like that they used to say. Good. Now, any questions you have, Shri Lekha? You came very late, Shri Lekha, because we were having very interesting questions, discussion, and all that. Of course, that was not directly relevant for your interview because that was at a higher level.
Okay.
Now,
Okay, sir.
I am asking whether this boy is coming, Federal Bank boy. If he comes, we can stay. Oh, are you coming to this Zoom now?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir, at 8 p.m. At 8 p.m.
क्यों? अभी क्या? अभी I am ready है. Nobody is there online.
Okay, sir. मैं थोड़ा सा prepare कर रहा था. इसीलिए मैंने बोला है.
अरे भाई, लास्ट मिनट में क्या प्रिपेयर करेगा आप? हाँ, ऐसा ही आ जाओ, हम आपको बता देगा कैसे में भी है आपका परफॉर्मेंस. आ जाओ. I'm compelling people to come. Like in touring takis, Sri Lekha will know. In villages, we used to have a concept known as touring takis, wherever every day, some in the rickshaw or auto rickshaw, people will go on be distributing pamphlets for movies and all that, and they will also sing the song of that is coming in that movie or some other song. Likewise, when the cinema is to start, they will put the loudspeaker so that everybody in the village can hear and they will rush to the theater. So SMAP, I am calling all the people to come to the class. That's what it is. Sri Lekha,
Yes, sir.
what is the happiest day you had so far?
Actually, it is today.
Why? Birthday for you?
No, sir. Actually, today I ate a lot of sweets and snacks
Hmm.
after many days, actually, many months.
Because of that eye problem and all that, correct?
Yeah. So Vinayagar Chaturthi, like for
Oh,
that,
acha, acha.
yeah,
You had Kolkata and all. Good, good, good.
yeah, a lot of kolkatais and sundal, pongal, everything I had. So
Good.
I felt happy. So today might be
Very,
this day.
very good. Oh, how many siblings you have?
I'm having one younger sibling. So
But ladka or ladki? Is brother or sister?
she's girl, sister.
She.
Yeah.
Oh, what is she doing?
She's just joined her PG MBA.
Oh, great, great. How often do you fight with each other?
Very often. So
That is the normal reply I get from sisters and brothers. It's always like, enjoy. Fighting
but
is okay.
it also resolved very soon. Like we will not be talking, like we will not do silent treatments and all.
Mm,
We will talk, we will resolve the issue soon.
very good. That's good. If you adopt this, that is a very good. Do you watch Nia Nana programs and all in TV?
Yeah, sir. Like I'm not watching in television, but I'm watching some clips in YouTube videos.
You know, there was one video in which a girl, the girls were posting their demand for marriage from the parents. One girl was
Yeah.
telling, I want 365 sarees.
Oh my god.
Ah, another girl was telling, I want one house, just as one house for my brother, another house for me. I want 50 pounds of gold.
Okay.
Another girl said, I want my marriage to be celebrated in this way, that I should come in a helicopter, get down in the marriage.
Yeah, sir. I watched this thing in the idu paathen, sir. In the clip.
Vijay TV.
Uh,
So, um, so what is your view regarding the dowry system?
okay.
Free
So
lake. I mean, it's a common question for all the three of you. You can tell it is not being recorded. It's not being recorded. I'm only gaining time so that that boy will come and I will go with Federal Bank. Now, Sri Lanka, you can tell Samiksha and Abhisha, you can also tell what is this custom prevalent in your community? Is it dowry system is being encouraged or not?
no, sir. It should not be encouraged.
No, no,
Actually,
no.
there are many.
Don't tell me should not be. Tell me what is happening now.
Okay, what are the things happening now?
Hmm.
I find even some marriages are like being a business.
That is one businessman gives his daughter to another businessman's son, correct?
Yeah, with
And-
a lot of they always think about the incoming profit and all in the marriages. There is no love of
Hmm.
no love between the couples and as well as the family as well.
Good. Avisha, what is your view regarding your community? Avisha,
Yes, sir.
boliye.
I don't think so. It is encouraged at this particular time. It is quite generalized
You are
because
you are you are
usually
in
people
you are from which state? Uttar Pradesh.
UP.
ये गलत मत ये झूठ मत बोलो उत्तर प्रदेश में
Yeah.
दौरी नहीं है ऐसा झूठ मत बोलो कैन यू
I said that it is not encouraged nowadays. It is quite
हाँ
generalized.
encouraged अच्छा अच्छा not people encouraged but is it is there in practice correct
Yeah, it is like everyone doing this in terms of like I am having a daughter, I can do this. It is quite generalized.
That is,
I was saying that.
for example, a parent gives because he says he is giving to his daughter only. So he
Yeah.
finds it convenient to give. Good. That's right. Samiksha ji, batao.
Sir, in India, the girls are regarded as pariah dhan. So this is a very common adage that girls are regarded as pariah dhan, and because of this pariah dhan, they have to give a lot of dowry to other families just because their daughters will be staying in others' houses. Then a lot of expenses will be done of their families too, of their family where she's getting married. So I think that is a concept where the dowry has been inhabilitated.
1
So
minute.
I
One
think
minute. 1 minute. Some phone is coming. Hello.
Sir, I have joined.
Where you are joined? I'm coming. Very good. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. Now, why Samiksha? In spite of the fact that in many states, number of girls are more than number of boys. Soon a stage will come where boys will have to give dowry to girls for marriage. ऐसा भी stages आएगा. Yeah.
अच्छी बात है सर, जल्दी आना चाहिए.
That stage will come. You know, in Kerala and all, number of girls, 1,024 girls for 1,000 boys.
Yes, sir. The literacy rate of Kerala is the highest in all over India.
Yeah, exactly. That the
Yes,
girl child is being they are being given a lot of encouragement and all that. Good.
Yes.
Now we have a new candidate who has come, Amia 22. What is your name, please? Amia. Amiya's phone is not connected. Mic is not connected. Let him get connected. So this is because I used to watch some videos like this and all, like in fact there are different types of one, girls themselves asking money. Other one is the in-laws asking money. In-laws, that is mother-in-law. Invariably the problem is only with mother-in-laws, not the father-in-laws. It's only the mother-in-laws who are instrumental in this being encouraged or recognized. What happened? Amiya is not joining.
Sir, you were saying na in UP dowry is not there. Sir, my real sister has been married to a UP chartered accountant, and we have given a dowry of around 25 lakhs. So it is nothing like that कि UP में dowry नहीं चलता. UP में बहुत dowry चलता है because UP के लोग बहुत shrewd होते हैं. ऐसा बोला जाता है मतलब.
Correct. Yeah, so that is correct. But yeah, so but that is a very big amount you have said. Maybe that boy is a rich boy, so they have given. It doesn't matter, whatever
Yes,
it
sir.
is.
He's a chartered accountant. He has 2 factories. That is why.
Very good. Anyhow, best wishes. Money is not a criteria. Only thing is the people must have a proper understanding among themselves. That's what is more important. We are now going to Amiya 22. Amiya 22, your interview is going to be on which date?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Your interview will be on which date?
Sir, my interview is scheduled on 20th September.
In which place?
Sir, Patna, NIT Patna.
Remember, was it being recorded? Then I will stop it and not use
Sir,
it.
am I audible?